LG Cordzero. What I thought was kind of unique was that this is a portable storage vacuum. So it offers 3 different ways to store the entire product without requiring to drill holes into the wall. What I noticed was like the body, the dustbin, is appropriately sized to maneuver, and it's just lighter overall weight, making it easy to actually reach higher areas overhead when needed with this thing. This has a long battery life as they provide 2 40-minute batteries, so you get 80 minutes total cleaning time. It comes with 3 different nozzles to use: the Power Punch, the Power Floor, and the Power Carpet nozzle. There is an adjustable pole length which allows for more flexibility with accommodation to your height. I decided to store this the freestanding way with the stand that came in the box because it has the most storage in my opinion. Also, I love the fact that it's not drilled into my wall and I can move it upstairs if things get a little bit more dirty up there and we're using it more, or I can put it in our cleaning closet downstairs. I find it really natural to turn on and off this vacuum because they have one-touch control. Where you're holding it to like push the vacuum is where you turn it on and off with the touch of a thumb. With my excitement, I didn't mention that this rug is brand new and this is what it picked up. It's pretty nasty. When you unscrew the top, you're going to see the washable cyclones and filters, which are easy to maintain to clean away dirt, keep the vacuum running at its best. They also have a crevice tool attachment that has bristles that you can extend and just really sweep and vacuum all these cobwebs. I did not expect this vacuum to pack this much of a punch inside its packaging because it just didn't seem like all of this could fit. I attached the Power Punch nozzle, which is gentle enough to roll over bed sheets to pick up pet hair and dander. So I did that to the couch and Callie's bed, and then Callie jumped right back on it, and just this nozzle's gonna come in handy.
It comes with 2 battery packs, each lasting 40 minutes for a total of 80 minutes of combined suction power. It can extend, it's cordless, it runs on batteries, it sucks up things, it's rad. It's got one-touch control, guys, look at this. Bam, on, look at this. Bam, 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 look at that.
The dustbin on this thing is not too big, it's just perfect size, makes it easy, makes it lightweight if you need to reach anything overhead, and it's super easy to empty out. Boom, done.
Done.
It does store really easy, it doesn't take up a lot of space. It comes with 3 different ways to store it that don't include drilling holes in your wall, so if you don't want holes in your wall, no worries.
I just want to show you guys real quick how easy it is to actually put this thing away. No cords to mess with. Oh, by the way, here's the other battery. It's charging simultaneously.
Yep.
Look at this.
And here, check this thing out. It has this attachment with Power Punch nozzles. See those things? Makes vacuuming on furniture, getting dog hair out of things really easy. Dust just like gets punched right up out of the fabric.
You switch one for the other and bam!
And one of the best things about it, you guys, is that the filters, the Cyclone, it's all washable, super easy to clean, keeps maintenance on the vacuum really, really, really simple.
I love this product, guys, for real.
It telescopes out, so it's like can be a medium size, a full size vacuum, and then you can take that whole piece off and make it a short one, so you can do little things like vacuuming the stairs or something. It also has a Power Punch nozzle, which makes it easy for cleaning deep, dug in there dust. It has a long battery life. It comes with 2 40-minute batteries, which gives you a total of 80 minutes to clean, which I could easily do my entire house. It also has a couple of storage options, which is kind of cool. You can use it on a stand, you can do it a couple of other configurations, and you don't even have to drill holes into the walls. Another nice feature is it's just like a one-touch to turn it on. So you just touch the button and you go to town, and when you're done, turn it off with the vacuum with one touch. The dustbin is a good size, but not overly big. It's not heavy, it's a light vacuum to move around. I think my favorite feature of this whole vacuum is the fact that the filters are washable. It comes with 2 filters, and then you literally wash them and reuse them, which I think is so amazing. I love the LG Cordless vacuum. It's truly, truly life-changing.